Hi guys, it's me, Brianna.
And me, Callie.
And today we will be making butter slime. So the ingredients you will be needing are a bowl, shaving foam, teaspoons and tablespoons and stuff like that, baking soda, lotion, glue, cornstarch, and contact solution. So I started by putting 1 tablespoon of cornstarch into a bowl, and now I will add 2 tablespoons of glue. Okay, now I will be adding in 2 tablespoons of shaving foam. Now I will be adding in 2.5 to 3 pinches of baking soda. Now I will be adding around a tablespoon of baby oil and mixing it well. I started mixing with my tablespoon, but then I changed to a comb because I was too lazy to go downstairs and get a spoon. We don't use the comb.
Don't mind me, I'm mixing with a comb because I didn't feel like going downstairs again.
Callie started mixing it. Okay, now the mixture should be mixed well, and we're gonna add a little bit more baby oil because it's not at the softness and sleekness that we need. I can't talk today. And then I mixed it well. It should look like that. It shouldn't be formed all the way into a slime because then we add in a tablespoon of contact solution. A tablespoon or 2 teaspoons or something like that. Yeah, 2 teaspoons. And then Callie mixed it again. So now it should be sticky and stuff, but that is fine. Now we will start playing with it. And it should look like that with a few clumps and stuff, but that is completely normal. So, yeah. Here is one of the final touches. Just keep mixing it for it to not have any more clumps, and there you go, butter slime. You can add food coloring if you want to, but we didn't want to. Now we will be adding in some lotion to make it more stretchy and to give it like a yellow type of color. It's red. So yeah, it should be super duper stretchy now. And yeah, butter slime. Okay, so here is the rest of the final touches. Don't forget to subscribe and comment what video we should do next. Sorry I've been really inactive. I've been really busy and stuff. I will hopefully post every weekend or every other weekend. It depends. So yeah, don't forget to like it. So I added my baby slime, the baby butter slime to a bigger one, and here's this bigger final touch. So yeah, hope you like it.